The fighter coming out of the dugout, Elwin Mendoza. Ladies and gentlemen, Manny Pacquiao presents Blow by Blow here at Imus Cavite Sports Complex in partnership with San Miguel Beer, in coordination with Mayor Alex A.A. Advincula and Vice Mayor Homer Sakilayan. All professional boxing bouts are under the regulations and supervisions of the Games and Amusements Board. GAB Chairman, Attorney Richard Clarin, Chief of Boxing and Other Contact Sports, Ms. Jackie Lou Ornido. Ringside Physicians, Dr. Noel Napa, Dr. Jose Rolando Rivera. Timekeepers, Kim Dangan and Ma'am Estelia Igasan. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the fighter fighting out of the blue corner. He weighed in at 118 pounds. He has a record of 2 wins, 1 loss. Fighting out of Defan Boxing Gym, Manila. Ladies and gentlemen, RJ Recto. Right across the ring, fighting out of the red corner. He weighed in at 118 pounds. He has a record of 3 wins, 1 loss, 2 wins coming by way of knockout. Fighting out of Archstone Moniz Boxing Gym, Sinsur, Bangar, La Union. Ladies and gentlemen, Elwin Mendoza. Judges at ringside, Al Llaneta, Don Arguelles, Danilo Lopez. Third man in the ring, referee Noel Haduka. This will be 6 rounds of professional boxing.
RJ. Erwin, RJ. Okay. Sports lang ang laro ha. Pag sinabi kong stop, wala nang susundok. Pag sinabi kong break, okay? Pag may bumagsak, neutral corner kagad, okay? That's love and good luck. Okay.
And that's the sound of the bell. Round number 1, laban Mendoza kontra Recto. Si Mendoza po is the boy in the black trunks. Rather, Recto is in the black trunks. Si Mendoza po is in the red trunks. Okay, si Elwin Mendoza, siya po yung mahawak ng red gloves. Oh, ang ganda ng tama doon. Patama ni Mendoza kagad. 2 shots, right hands. And that staggered Recto. Recto is coming off a loss by a knockout to Fernando Tagpuno. That was last January. At si Mendoza naman galing sa talo by points to Harvey Villena last February. So both of them trying to come back here from losses. Tinamaan ng 2 beses ni Mendoza si Recto. And he staggered Recto twice.
Stop!
Remember, si Recto galing sa talo by knockout. Ang record po niya is 2-1. Si Elwin Mendoza, may lakas po siya. 3-1 ang record niya, but 2 wins were by knockout. And again, ito. Pinapaspasan na ni Mendoza si Recto. Recto's hanging on. Nice shot. Recto's ready to go down. Mendoza's moving in. Nice. Left hand coming from Mendoza. He's all out on the attack. He staggered him at least 3 times in this round. Hindi pa bumabagsak si Recto. He's holding on. Again, the combination scoring by Mendoza. And then he finally goes down. That's a knockdown. That is a knockdown, and referee Noel Haduka giving the mandatory 8 count, yes, to RJ Recto. Recto still looks okay, but he's been staggered. He's gone down once, and more shots to the head. Oh, beautiful shot, and that's it. It's over. Referee Noel Haduka saying it is over for RJ Recto. What a big victory here for Elwin Mendoza in the very first round. One knockdown, but he was taking too many headshots. Grabe ang nangyayari dito. We did say that Mendoza may lakas ito. He has scored 2 knockouts before this fight, and now raises his record to 4-1 with 3 knockouts. At ang kanyang cornerman, dapat sabihin natin, si Tassie Macalos, a former IBF flyweight champion who reigned in 1988. Yan po ang ating mayor Advincula ng City of Imus, and Vice Mayor Honorable Homer Sakilayan. Si Tassie Macalos po wala po sa ring apron. He is down. Makita sana natin yung mukha ni Tassie Macalos. He's all the way back there. I see him now. But he is responsible for training Elwin Mendoza. Si Tassie Macalos po is now 57 years old. But he fought for 10 years. And all the way from 1984 to 1994. And as we said, he was the IBF light flyweight champion in 1988. Ang record po niya is 29-12-3 with 12 knockouts. Yan po si Tassie Macalos. Ako, ang galing naman ng ating cameraman. Huling-huli natin. Yan po. Former IBF light flyweight champion, Tassie Macalos. And responsible po siya as chief trainer ni Elwin Mendoza. Napakagandang panalo ni Mendoza. Ang galing naman ng ating cornerman, no? Talagang on the ball. Ang MP Promotions, the best when it comes to boxing. Ito, makita natin. Yung staggering punches. First of all, that right hand galing kay Mendoza. Tapos yung right hand once more. Naku, tumama. Naku, kanan na naman yun. Ayaw pa bumagsak ni Recto. That time a left. And then a right. Naku, ilang beses na tinatamaan si Recto. And then finally, another right hand. Sunod-sunod yung kanan ni Mendoza. Wow. And then, more punches coming from Mendoza. Ito, glassy-eyed na dito Yun, tinamaan na naman sa mukha. And another shot, that time with the left hand. At sabi ni referee Noel Haduka, tama na, sobra na. And stepping in to halt the action. A big victory here for Elwin Mendoza. Wow. And ringside announcer, or rather ring announcer, Bobby Mada, ready with the official time.
Ladies and gentlemen, the time, 1 minute and 57 seconds of the first round. Winner by technical knockout, Elwin Mendoza.
Elwin Mendoza has raised his record to 4-1 with 3 knockouts. And that's got to be an uplifting victory para sa kanya because galing siya sa talo to Harvey Villena last February. That was a unanimous decision loss in 4 rounds where Mendoza went down in the first round. Pero eto, naka-recover na siya, and what a way to recover.